Welcome back. In this session, we are going to define number ranges, whatever the minimum required configuration or master data that we are going to create in this session. Coming to account assignment categories, it is already defined by SAP. No need to create a further account assignment category. Here we are going to use K account assignment category. So now coming to this create number ranges for controlling area, this is the T code KNK. Go to this T code. In real time, it will be done by CO consultant. Enter your controlling area here. Click on this group. See here, right now we don't have any groups here. We have to create the group from here. See, if you don't find this group, from EHP 6 onwards, you are going to find this here. So if you don't find groups like this, please check the first one. Under that, you are going to find one option like create group. So follow that process. Click on insert. Controlling number ranges for 8800. Here enter 1 5 5. Press enter. See, we have successfully created one number range. So what we have to do, see, this is a COIN. This is the business transaction. This is the business transaction. So select, double click on this one. See, it will be, once you double click on this one, it will change to blue. That means selected. Now select this one. Here, assign element group. See, we are moving from not assigned to assigned. Save this. We have successfully defined the number ranges. Simple configuration. Next step is to create a cost centers. Cost centers T code is KS01. Head office. Marketing. Logistics. Number is cost center number 1000, 2000, 3000. So now go to notes. Case 01. Here enter 1000. Enter the validity like this. Press enter. Here enter the description. This is head office cost center. Person responsible. Now here category. Select any categories. In real time, we are not responsible for this cost center master data. We are creating only for testing. You select any one. Here select production, administration. Press F4. It will copy automatically. If you remember, we defined this at the time of doing the controlling area configuration. Here, take any business area. Since business area at the client level, so you can take any business area. Take this one. Now save this. This is warning message only. It's not an error message. So no need to worry about this one. Just press enter. We have successfully created one cost center. Now repeat the same for other cost center. If you want to copy the same, enter here, just created cost center, controlling area 8800. It will save your time. This is marketing cost center. Here if you want to select marketing, select marketing. If you don't want to select anything, leave it as it is, whatever copied from previous one. Marketing development production. So we are going to select, I will leave it as this, save this, press enter. I have successfully copied second one. Now this is logistics 3000. We are creating this cost center for testing scenarios. You will understand this in a coming sessions. Logistics, save this. So we have successfully created cost center 1000, 2000, 3000. Now next step, here I mentioned the steps. Note down a general ledger account for testing. We need a general ledger account because as soon as we receive these goods from the vendor, we are consuming this. So at the time of creating purchase order itself, you have to mention what is the general ledger for this consumption. That is the reason we need one. So what I will do, I will go to FS00. Note down this T code if you don't know. Enter your company code here. Press F4. Remove this. Enter. Click on this one. Sort. Now check a description for expenditure GL accounts. See here you have consumable supplies, consumable supplies, consumable supplies scrap, spare parts. Take any GL. It should be an expenditure GL. How to understand this one? Double click on this. Click on display. So here it is selected P&L statement. So no need to worry about this. What is the next step? Note down this GL. If you want to change this, you can change the description like this. Click on change and stationery expenses. Copy this. Save. Now this is my GL account for testing. Note down this GL number. This is stationery. Stationery expenses. Take any GL. No need to take exactly 405200. So we have successfully completed minimum required configuration and master data for testing. In next session, we are going to test this scenario.